Hey everyone, Extreme here. I'm back with my weekly update of turning $5,000 into one Bitcoin using the BITSGAP Grid Trading bot. Now, if you've been following me, you'll know my Bitcoin or crypto has been increasing and we can't look back currently. So let's have a look at what this latest week brought us. Also, BitsGap has a new function or upgrades depending on how you want to see it. Looking at the BitsGap account, the first section that's new is on this right hand side. Every time you go into a coin, it gives you details. Which bot is used, which exchange, which pair, your profit currency, your sell orders, amount of crypto you have in those sell orders, the amount of crypto you have in your buy orders, levels, the amount of grids you have available, your grid step percentage, your high price, meaning which is the highest point of your grids, your low price, which is the lowest point of your grids. So all brand new indications giving you instant data or confirmation on how the bot is doing. And when you want to change it or stop it, all you need to do is click modify and it will bring you to the normal settings when you start your bot. Since the bot is already started, you'll need to stop it to modify your settings. And if we're looking at the different pairs we've been using with Qcoin, we can see all of them is doing pretty well. If we look at ETH, ETH is running nicely in between the grids, generating the opportunity, buying and selling as the market moves. It's also our one of the longer running bots, 20 days, 21 hours. Yes, we did have the trailing down on, but it hasn't gone beneath the trailing down yet. Looking at XRP, been running for 1 month and 17 days. Done 1,675 trades for it. It also has the trailing down on, so it's working non-stop up and down. Looking at Polkadot, which had quite a surge the late last week, moving back up and down, but it's staying in between the grids, generating profit. 13 days in counting. Cardano, 1 month and 24 days. 2,050 trades done for it. Cardano has been very volatile. News coming, news going, things happening, but it's generating profits as it moves. Looking at BNB, it went out of range. So what we'll do, we'll upgrade our BNB. We'll take all the funds available and put it into BNB, keep our top grid where it is, and move the rest of the grids down just beneath the current market price. But let's head over to Qcoin and see. Looking at Qcoin, as you all know, we started with $5,000. We went up in value to $8,000 on one stage before the market dropped. But the main thing is, we're still up. We started with 0.14 odd Bitcoin and we're on 0.156 as we're slowly heading towards our 1 Bitcoin target. Yes, in the beginning it will take a lot of time and be slow, but as we keep on compounding and compounding, it's going to start becoming faster and faster and faster, meaning we'll reach our 1 Bitcoin target. Now, how long do you reckon it's going to take before we reach our 1 Bitcoin? Leave me your thoughts and comments below. Tell me what you think. So now, the first thing we're going to do, got the XRP available and Binance Coin available. So all we're going to do to start off with, we're going to switch this XRP to Bitcoin to add to our compounding process. We'll make the bot as big as possible. We'll switch this XRP Bitcoin. Then we'll go and stop our bot. Let the funds accumulate and then add it all into the BNB pair, making it bigger yet again. On market, sell all available XRP. As you can see, the XRP has been sold. Now we can just go back and we can make sure our high price is correct, because if the trailing stop moved it, the high price kept on the amount when you started the bot. So you need to make sure always correct. Looking at the high price 0.0106, it is correct. So we'll just copy that amount for in case, and we'll stop our BNB bot. Yes, we're going to cancel all orders, and we'll let the process run. Bot is stopped. Now we can just go back to KuCoin, because a way to double check it is there shouldn't be any BNB in orders. As the bot is stopping all the different orders, it will go into your available section. I'll just refresh the page real quick, make 100% sure all our BNB is in our available amount. As you can see, BNB, everything is in available amount, and there's nothing currently in order. Now we can go back to the Bitsgap and say modify. On start new bot, I'm going to stick to the S bot like we did for the BNB pair. Put in the amount we are top. Let's go edit. Zero one zero 01065. Okay. 01655. Sub BNB pair. Gonna put in 50 grids like we always do, and we'll move our lower price just beneath the current market price. So if the market moves up, it's immediately working for us again. Yes, I know a lot of people's complaining and saying, if you do this, you're devaluing your first trades. Yes, I know. But as the market moves up and down and you're immediately in the market, you're not waiting for profits. It will take a little bit longer, but you're generating it faster. Also remember, where the previous grid steps was 0.4 odd, now our grid steps has moved to 0.58, meaning each trade's profit a little bit bigger. We're going to use maximum, and we'll preview. Look that everything is in order, and we'll start our bot up again. Bot is starting. As you can see, as the bot is starting, placing all the new grids. Keeps on working for us. Give it a few seconds to place all the orders and finish up. Since the day we started up to now, Bitsgap has improved and upgraded so much. It's so easy to use, comfortable. And the benefit of the grid trading bot is they don't have access to your funds. Yes, you're paying a monthly fee to use it, but all my funds is my KuCoin exchange. They can't withdraw it. Nothing. Bot is set up. All 5 our pairs is available, working again. We go back to KuCoin. We'll refresh the page, and all of our BD will be in orders again. As you can see, there's a little bit that stayed over, which I don't mind. We had $100 and something available in funds, and now we only have about $60, $75. And that is due to the fact that the Bitsgap always leaving 5% behind for your transaction fees and all these different kind of things. So the Bitsgap bot keeps on growing. We're heading to our 1 Bitcoin target. How long do you think it's going to take to get there? Time will tell, but we're on our way. Make sure to click the Telegram channel below as there's something new coming to my channel. Have a great one. Take care.